Also thank our vendors. Thank you, our vendor. Thank you, vendors. Our vendors are Kid Power, Bittersweet Zine. We also have Mary Kay and Garden Gorillas, as well as Seamless Web. So thank you very much to our vendors and our sponsors. So let's start with number 25.
25. All right, 25.
25. 25 is a yellow butter cake with broiled almond frosting.
Forget the board, man. That's how we get cupcakes. Oh, yes. You like this? I like that icing. You guys do not have to eat the entire half just because you have a lot of cupcakes to get through. No, stick with one bite. That's delicious. Do you want us to say anything about them? No, I think, we gotta move on. Yeah, let's take a bite. Yeah, this is
Okay, what's the next number?
26. Wait, I enjoying your way. They got it good.
I've been looking around, walking around like
All right, the next cupcake is a number 26. Number 26 is a beatnik cupcake. What it is, it's beet walnut cupcake with cream cheese frosting.
There's meat inside the cupcake too, just so you know.
And I'll take your finish. No, I mean the s'mores. I'll take our finish. It was very good. Can you read that?